Hello everyone, this is Ankita Malik back again with a tutorial on this makeup look which is simple yet tricky. So let's get into the video. So first things first, I am taking the Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil and applying it all over my face. That will help in moisturizing my skin and also will create a perfect base for the makeup to look flawless. Next, I cannot believe but I forgot to apply the primer, but please do apply a primer on your face before the foundation. Primer is a must. It will cover up your pores and also will help your makeup last long. For the foundation, I took the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 228 Soft Tan because it matches my skin tone perfectly. Now, if you know, I have started applying two different shades concealer. For the first concealer, I am taking the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in shade Pure Beige because it matches my skin tone perfectly, so it will cover up the darkness without making my under eyes look ashy. And I'm also applying the concealer on my eyelid so that it hides the darkness on my eyelid and also gives an even base for the eye makeup to stand out perfectly. And to blend all of it, I'm using a small packed brush. I'm really loving how the finish of it looks when I blend the concealer with a brush instead of a beauty sponge. It gets into every corner and covers up perfectly, making it look very natural and clean. So I would highly recommend you to get a concealer brush to blend it. Now for the second concealer, which is to highlight, I am taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in shade Light and I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eyes and also on the outer corners of my eyes. You can also apply a dot on the center, like you can see slightly above my cheeks, because the highlight should be like an upside down triangle. So I am again using my concealer brush and blending it all well under my eyes. Now do not go directly with a lighter shade concealer to cover up the dark circles. That will end up looking ashy and it's not at all flattering. So if you are someone who wants to hide your dark circles and also want to highlight your under eyes, then go for a shade closer to your skin tone first and then a lighter shade concealer to highlight your under eyes. Make sure you take your time and buff the product on your skin to help it blend perfectly and look flawless. Now to set the concealer, I am taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium and setting all the places where I have applied the concealer with the help of a brush. Just a little bit of the powder and run the brush on the center of your face because that's the main focus of the face, and you need to set it so that the makeup stays put throughout the day. Also don't forget to set the eyelids as well. I am taking the Incolors Cosmetics Delicate Eyebrow Palette in 02 and picking up this shade. I am enhancing my brows by quickly filling it in with the brow powder. Coming to the eye makeup, I am taking the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette and I am taking this light shade first and I am packing it on my eyelid so that I don't have any fallouts under my eyes, and I am applying it starting from the inner corners. Next, I am taking this light brown shade and blending it just on my crease line and above, and I am kind of flicking the shade out around the outer corner so that it creates a wing shadow look, and I am keeping it very light and soft towards the inner corner. And I'm doing the same on the other eye as well. Next, for the eyeliner, I have already done this side of my eye. It looks pretty but it's very difficult to create. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side of my eye. I am taking the Coloressence gel eyeliner for this, which comes with a brush. So I'm using the same brush to apply the liner first, close to my lash line. I am not taking it close to the inner corner, but I'm starting from the center of my eyelid and gradually increasing the thickness of the liner, creating a winged liner look. Now from the end of the line, I am creating another line on the crease line towards the inner corner. I put a very light pressure at first to carve out the line and then used another thin brush to deepen it up, keeping the joints and the end of the line very thin while the center of the line slightly thick, kind of creating a wave, if you're getting me. So this is how it looks at the end. I'm taking the Nykaa Lash Talk Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. And then I applied the Nykaa false lashes off camera to complete the eye makeup. Now to contour my face, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick in Oaks on You and applying it on my jawline, cheekbone, and also on my forehead close to my hairlines, and then using a brush to blend it all well into my skin. I personally love to apply contour, and especially this cream contour, because it blends beautifully into the skin. It hides the areas by reducing the focus on it and doesn't make your face look flat, which I will be making another video, so stay tuned for that. Using a small packed brush to contour my nose with the same contour cream and carefully blending it all well. For the blush, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in shade Peaches and Cream and applying it on my cheekbone, taking it all the way up towards my temple. And slightly on my cheeks. Next, for the highlighter, I am taking the Nykaa Liquid Highlighter in shade Glazed Bronze and I am applying 3 dots above my cheekbone and on my temple on each side of my face, and then blending it using my finger. Talking about this highlighter, I think I have mentioned it a lot of time already on my videos. This is such a beautiful liquid highlighter. The consistency of the product is beautiful. It's thick obviously, so apply it in dots and that melts into the skin so beautifully. It's better to use your fingers to blend it. As I said, it's thick, so blending with a brush makes it difficult to blend. And no, it doesn't have any glitter particles. It adds the right amount of highlighter to your skin and melts perfectly, looking very healthy and glowy. So I highly recommend you try this product out. Using a small pencil brush to blend the highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. And also on my brow bones so that it enhances the shape of my brows. And also on the tip of my nose. Now to complete the makeup look, I am taking the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade 09 and applying it on my lips. And so this is the final look. I really hope you liked watching this video and loved this makeup look. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and also hit the like button if you loved watching this video and share it with your friends. And I will see you in my next. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.